In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage purchase quotations and orders in Odoo 18. This process is essential for streamlining your procurement tasks and ensuring that your purchasing operations run smoothly using the features of Odoo 18. Let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently handle purchase quotations and orders. To get started, first navigate to the Odoo website by visiting the open source ERP and CRM platform's homepage. Once you're there, you'll see the Sign In button prominently displayed. Click on this button to access your Odoo account. Remember that you'll need your login credentials, so have them handy. If you don't have an account yet, now would be the time to create one. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Odoo dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, where you'll find several module options depending on the Odoo applications active in your account. For today, our focus is on the purchasing operations, so look for and click on the Purchase module. This module is specifically designed to help you manage all things related to procurement, from communication with vendors to tracking purchase records. After you enter the Purchase section, navigate to Requests for Quotation. This is the area where you can view all existing RFQs or initiate new ones. RFQs are essential because they allow you to gather offers from vendors before making any purchase commitments. Click on New to start creating a fresh quotation request. This step is where you specify what you'd like to procure, including quantities and any specific requirements you may have for the potential vendors. Once you open a new RFQ form, you'll notice fields for entering vendor information, product details, and terms of the request. Be concise, but detailed enough so the vendors understand exactly what you require. Adding clear and specific information here will contribute to receiving accurate and competitive quotes from suppliers. Always double-check this information to ensure there are no discrepancies that might affect how suppliers interpret your needs. After everything is set and looks good, sending out the request to your list of vendors is straightforward. This is one of the aspects where Odoo excels, making communication with multiple vendors efficient while keeping your data organized. By using these purchasing features in Odoo 18, you're not only saving time, but also enhancing the effectiveness of your procurement strategy. That wraps up our guide on managing purchase quotations and orders within Odoo 18. Leveraging these tools will streamline your purchasing tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, strategically selecting the best vendors and products for your business needs. Thanks for joining me today to learn about enhancing your purchasing operations, and I wish you the best of luck as you implement these steps in your own Odoo system.